Hey, what's up? It's Taylor. I'm your boy with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Cheyenne of Brighton. I had hail damage at my commercial property twice. I'm assuming 2 different storms. Insurance company is now lowballing my claim to where I'm having to put my own money in to get the repairs done that are needed. That's not fair, and depending on the policy, that's usually not what should be done. And this is what happens when insurance companies diminish claims. They don't pay enough on claims. They stall so you will settle on a lower amount. Yes, delay, deny, defend, diminish. They don't care. I do feel sorry for the people who have to work for this insurance company. I wouldn't want to do this to people day in and day out and then have to go home and face my family, right? So I don't know, like sometimes I feel like these adjusters are being trained to deny claims instead of actually find the damage, like see the damage and then find the coverage that's in the policy, right? Like they have a duty of good faith and fair dealing. These insurance companies have to treat you fairly and work and move in good faith. If they see damage, they are supposed to find coverage for that within the policy, right? And so if you have the right type of policy and you're actually getting treated fairly, you should never have to come out of pocket for the damages to be repaired or replaced, okay? So if you are in a situation where you're having to come out of pocket to fix a property that you have the right coverage on, you have the right policy on from a legitimate covered cause of loss, you shouldn't be paying out of pocket. You're getting screwed. You need to contact us today. Bellator Claims Resolution, okay? We're at bellatorclaims.com. Contact us today. The sooner you contact us, the better it is for you, the better it is for us, because you usually have more rights within the policy and they're limited to sometimes specific dates. Sometimes there's 30-day deadlines. Sometimes there's 6-month deadlines. Sometimes they're year deadlines. There's so many different deadlines that you must hit as the insured. Otherwise, some of your rights, poof, go away. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.